If you've ever looked at React code and wondered why inline styles have those strange double curly braces, you're not alone. Let's break down exactly how React handles inline styling. In React, you apply inline styles using the style prop on any JSX element. But here's the key difference from HTML. Instead of passing a string like you would in regular HTML, React expects a JavaScript object. Each CSS property becomes a key in that object, and its value is the style you want to apply. This object-based approach gives you the full power of JavaScript for dynamic styling. So why the double curly braces? The outer curly braces tell JSX you're writing a JavaScript expression, not a string. The inner curly braces are just creating a JavaScript object literal. You could also define the style object separately and pass it in with single braces. Either way works perfectly. Another important difference. React uses CamelCase for CSS property names instead of KebabCase. So background color becomes background color, font size becomes font size, and margin top becomes margin top. This is because JavaScript object keys can't have hyphens without quotes. Let's see it in action. You can style a div with inline properties, create dynamic styles based on props or state, or extract your style object into a constant for reusability. All of these patterns work great for component-specific styling. Remember, React inline styles use the style prop with JavaScript objects and CamelCase property names. Master this pattern and you'll breeze through styling questions in your next interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.